Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use Reelshort app. So firstly, download Reelshort app. So you can get that free from Play Store or Apple Store. So you can just download it. So once you've downloaded it, just open up the app, and then once you open up the app, you can see here this app consists of various shows, series and episodes which are all 1 minute long. So that's the basic highlight of this app. So it's a 1 minute long episodes which you can just watch on your way through. So it's pretty handy, and all you can do, once you open up the app on your home tab here, you'll see a lot of series here which if you open up, it will play, and you'll have like mostly,
how can I be with a man that
so something like this. So it's full, it will play up, and then each episode is like a minute long. So that's one thing. And then you have a tab here called For You tab. So if you open up the tab, and this is like it's very similar to TikTok videos on YouTube Shorts. So you have a lot of videos here which you can just browse through, like it, and you can also share it, and a lot of clippings from shows and episodes here, so which you can just browse through it, and that's your profile icon here. So like I said, it's a pretty entertainment app here which you can use as while you're traveling or when you go, because each episodes here are just 1 minute long only. So I hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.